Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best microwave cabinet is ArtPower Kitchen Microwave Cabinet. This kitchen storage cabinet comes with a microwave countertop, an open top shelf, 2 door cabinets, a large drawer and 3 built-in shelves, one of which is adjustable to allow you adjust the height on 3 levels to suit your individual needs. It is the perfect storage option for storing household items, small appliances, cookware and various kitchen items. Feel free to place small kitchen appliances such as microwave ovens, coffee makers, and toasters on open countertops. There are 2 cable holes on the back panel to facilitate the insertion of electrical appliances. Adjustable shelves inside the microwave cabinet to meet your customized storage needs. This kitchen microwave stand has high practicality. It can not only be used as a microwave cabinet in the kitchen, but also a wine cabinet or coffee bar cabinet in the living room. It is ideal for living room, bathroom, kitchen, hallway, living room, bedroom and more. 1 drawer for small kitchen items, 1 double door cabinet hutches for spice, pots and pans. This kitchen shelf organizer rack offers different storage unions, meet with various storage needs. Kitchen supplies are placed in partitions and clear at a glance. Kitchen microwave stand solves the problem of kitchen storage for you. Kitchen microwave oven rack has a drawer and a cabinet, which can store kitchen appliances such as microwave ovens, coffee machines, toasters, air fryers, etc. This storage shelf has high on utility, not only a kitchen island, also as an elegant bookcase, microwave stand, spice rack organizer, bathroom cabinet, wine board for living room, and can harmonize with any other rustic furniture in any room. The vertical structures doesn't take up space and add more storage space for bedroom, kitchen, pantry or bathroom. Number 2 in our side is Chechi Microwave Oven Stand. Allows you to use the microwave, coffee machine, and oven all at once. The baker's rack is simple to put up and takes less than 20 minutes to complete. Strong enough to support all of your kitchen appliances. A 30-inch wide microwave oven stand saves a lot of space in your kitchen and gives you additional counter space. The wood board seems and feels like it is made of real wood. Simple to put together. Ideal for storing a small microwave and other kitchen items. Our kitchen cabinet is constructed of high-quality MDF wood with a premium metal frame that is watertight, strong, and long-lasting. Hang pots, pans, cutlery, oven mitts, and other items from the microwave oven stand's 4 accessories hooks. This utilitarian storage rack is made to keep your kitchen groceries organized. To provide support for your kitchen equipment, this microwave stand, coffee bar cabinet, baker's rack, spice rack organizer or office storage rack is ideal. Kitchen rack includes a storage cabinet with doors to fulfill your various storage needs. This baker's rack with storage cabinet can provide vertical storage space in the home while taking up little room. Spices, oils, coffee, sugar, and tea can all be stored on the top shelf. The coffee machine, microwave, and toaster can all be stored on the center shelf. The lower shelves are ideal for storing fruits and vegetables. Third in our best microwave cabinet list is Hubro Baker's Kitchen Microwave Stand. The 4-layer baking rack has 3 large countertops, 8 S-shaped hooks, and 1 top rail, providing you with plenty of space to place the microwave oven, bread machine, pots and pans, spices and other supplies. It meets the diversified needs of kitchen storage. This baker's rack has 3 bottom partitions, which can store microwave ovens, toasters, and coffee machines. The top partitions can place kitchen spices, cups and other supplies. The top bar and the layer bar are convenient for hanging cooking spoons, dry towels or other gadgets to meet the storage needs of the kitchen. This coffee bar can not only be used as a baking rack or a microwave oven rack in the kitchen, but also can be used as a storage display rack in the living room, or a bookshelf in the bedroom. It can also be used to store home office supplies, and even can be used as a balcony plant rack. This baker's rack is composed of sturdy metal frames and P2 grade particle boards. The kitchen storage rack has a strong load-bearing capacity. In addition, the kitchen bread rack is equipped with 4 adjustable feet, which can keep balance even on uneven ground. Crafted from high-grade particle board and solid metal, this industrial kitchen shelves with storage can withstand up to 168 pounds. The adjustable foot pads can be used in the uneven ground and prevent floor from scratch. Thanks to its robust structure, this baker's rack for kitchens will serve you for long-lasting use. Kitchen stands with storage has a cool industrial vibe to it. Nice sleek design fits well with your kitchen, living room, bathroom, bedroom and any environment you need. It is also ideal for use in home kitchens, apartments, storage rooms and restaurant kitchens. Our fourth pick is Bestiaire Microwave Storage Cabinet. The height is adjustable from 45.2 to 54.6 inches. The huge capacity cabinet, side bars, and 3-tier shelves accommodate a microwave oven, toaster, coffee maker, cups, dishes, dishcloths, and other items. Wheels and adjustable screw-in feet can be installed in various scenarios. Ideal for your kitchen, living room, dining room, office, greenhouse, and so forth. Bestiaire wood baker's racks for kitchens with storage are made of CARB-certified P2 particle board and have a high level of stability and durability. The baker's rack in the kitchen can be used as a coffee bar, microwave oven stand, baker's racks, plant stand, printer stand, bookshelf, storage console shelf and so on. The standing kitchen shelf is simple to install thanks to the user-friendly handbook and tab section. All metal construction for extended life and tough durability. The plate is securely fastened. Each tier of the bread rack can support 90 pounds, and the overall load is 450 pounds. This storage cabinet has dust-proof flip-up doors and is ideal for storing small items such as cups, seasonings pots, towels, and home everyday essentials. Depending on your needs, the legs can be equipped with wheels or floor mats. The wheels have a locking function for safety, so you don't have to worry about them sliding automatically. The kitchen baker's rack is made entirely of metal for tough sturdiness and long life. Each layer of the bread rack can support 90 pounds, for a total load capacity of 450 pounds. The plate is tightly linked, and there is no anomalous noise. All cabinets have dust-resistant flip-up doors. To maximize storage space, the versatile pegboard has threaded holes and hook-hanging holes. Our fifth and last choice is Kami Waterproof Car Cover. Kami 6 layers car covers are made of heavy-duty material. Piva are 100% waterproof. It's great for rainproof, snowproof. High reflective aluminum is good at sunproof and anti-UV, keeps car cool in the hot day. Thicker cotton protect vehicle paint. Kami multi-layer material are much more thicker and durable than other similar 6 layers products. With door zipper in the left of the cover for easy access. Windproof straps at front and rear to fix your auto cover in heavy wind weather. 6 pieces reflective stripes to remind the people in the night. 4 pretty mirror pockets make the cover more suitable, no matter the hot sun or the cold weather. Kami car covers can handle it all. The powerful material keeps your car safe from UV rays, sand, dust, leaves, branches, snow, rain, frost, birds dropping. For details, let's watch more.